Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Bali Outdoors wood-burning fire pit with quick removable cooking grill. Perfect for creating a cozy ambiance on a chilly night, and a fantastic outdoor cooking companion. Let's get started. If you are looking for the perfect outdoor cooking companion, look no further than the Bali Outdoors wood-burning fire pit with quick removable cooking grill. Designed for both warmth and functionality, the Bali Outdoors fire pit is expertly crafted with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability. Its wood-burning design provides a cozy atmosphere, allowing you and your loved ones to gather around and enjoy the crackling flames. But that's not all. This fire pit also doubles as a convenient cooking grill. The quick removable cooking grill feature is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With just a few simple actions, you can effortlessly transform your fire pit into a versatile cooking station. Prepare delicious BBQ meals, grill your favorite veggies, or even roast marshmallows for the perfect s'mores. The possibilities are endless. One of the standout qualities of the Bali Outdoors fire pit is its superior functionality. The included cooking grill is adjustable, allowing you to regulate the temperature and achieve the perfect cooking results. The sturdy construction and large cooking surface provide ample room for your culinary creations, ensuring that everyone gets to enjoy a delicious meal. Safety is always a top priority, and Bali Outdoors doesn't disappoint. The fire pit is equipped with a mesh spark screen, which effectively prevents flying embers, ensuring a controlled and safe environment. Additionally, the fire pit comes with a handy fire poker tool for hassle-free fire management, keeping your outdoor activities stress-free. Not only does the Bali Outdoors fire pit elevate your outdoor cooking game, but it also adds a touch of style to any outdoor space. Its sleek and modern design effortlessly blends with various decor styles, making it a versatile addition to your patio, backyard, or camping setup. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Time to test the quick removable cooking grill. Just place it on top of the fire pit, and you're ready to grill up some mouth-watering meals. Whether you're cooking burgers, steaks, or even roasting marshmallows, this fire pit has got you covered. I hope you enjoyed the cooking part as much as I did. Whether you're hosting a backyard gathering, going camping, or simply enjoying a peaceful evening under the stars, this fire pit will create the perfect ambiance and satisfy your grilling needs. So, don't miss out on this exceptional outdoor cooking companion. Make the Bali Outdoors fire pit a part of your next adventure. Thanks for watching our review of the Bali Outdoors wood-burning fire pit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting reviews and outdoor adventures. Happy grilling!